the hidden function of wipes that hotel housekeepers use. All you need to do is take denatured alcohol and pour it into the wet wipe container. Denatured alcohol disinfects, removes bacteria, and dissolves grease and residues. Now, just wipe down the toilet frames, and your toilet will not only be clean but also thoroughly disinfected. It's a simple yet effective way to clean your bathroom hygienically and efficiently. Thanks to this, I got rid of scratches on my car. Every driver knows how easy it is to get small scratches on the bodywork. Luckily, there's a simple way to remove them without expensive visits to the body shop. You only need 2 ingredients that you probably already have at home. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil has lubricating and protective properties, creating a thin layer that smooths the surface of the paint. Next, add half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning agent that dissolves dirt and helps even out the paint's texture. Place the mixture in the microwave and heat for about a minute until the coconut oil completely melts. Your mixture is ready. Now grab a soft cloth, preferably microfiber, that won't scratch the paint. Soak the cloth in the mixture and gently rub it into the scratches on the car. With this method, small scratches will disappear for good, and your car will look beautiful again. Try this trick and enjoy a shiny bodywork without unnecessary costs. This breaks down toilet limescale better than a hammer. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. This powder tackles grime much faster than anything else. The result is worth it, so watch closely. Just gather a few powdery products, and the buildup will vanish. Start with laundry detergent. It dissolves grease, softens deposits, and cleans effectively. Sprinkle it generously over the toilet bowl. Next, add baking soda. It's a cleaning hero. It disinfects, whitens, and neutralizes odors. It's perfect for fighting dirt and scale. Now bring in some toothpaste. Its polishing particles help remove buildup and restore shine. Spread the paste around the inside of the bowl. Add some dish soap too. It breaks down grime and helps loosen the limescale. Let everything sit for about 15 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Then grab a brush and scrub. The limescale lifts off effortlessly, and the dirt falls away on its own. Flush, and that's it. A sparkling, fresh, and fragrant toilet, without harsh chemicals or hard scrubbing. This dissolves limescale in just 1 minute. It will shine like new for months, and even hard water won't leave a trace. Dried limescale buildup not only looks bad, but it can also block water flow and damage your fixtures. That's why it's important to act as soon as you notice the first signs of buildup. One of the most effective solutions is a homemade paste made from 2 ingredients everyone has at home. Add 1 cup of laundry detergent to a bowl. Laundry detergent breaks down grease and grime, softens water, has mild whitening properties, and foams well, making it perfect for cleaning many surfaces. Pour in half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar helps soften and dissolve the buildup. Mix until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the affected area, spread evenly, and leave it for a few minutes. Then wipe with a damp cloth. The residue disappears, and the faucet looks brand new. The same trick works on a shower head or glass doors. If you don't have detergent, you can also use plain vinegar. Just fill a plastic bag with it, tie it around the faucet with a rubber band, and after 30 minutes, the limescale softens and peels off easily. Pour this on, and your steel will shine like new. You'll remove stains, rust, and ugly streaks in just moments. Normally, this takes expensive cleaning products and a lot of scrubbing, but here's a simple method that makes steel shine like a mirror. The first ingredient of this easy mixture is lemon. Its juice works as a natural degreaser, dissolving residue and leaving the surface clean and shiny. Squeeze the juice from both halves and pour it into a small plastic container. Add a bit of hydrogen peroxide. It helps remove discoloration and tackle tougher stains. Now it's time for toothpaste. Squeeze out a generous amount. Its fine abrasive particles gently polish the steel, while the added ingredients bring out shine and freshness. Mix everything well until the paste dissolves and forms a smooth solution. Pour it onto the stainless steel surface and wipe it down. Finally, polish with a cloth. No more rust or dirt. The steel regains its natural shine and looks brand new. And you don't need to buy new items or spend money on harsh chemicals. Just use what you already have at home. A homemade way to clean your shower that removes limescale like an expensive store-bought cleaner. I've been using it for over 30 years. Start with dish soap, something everyone has at home. It easily breaks down grease, grime, and soap residue. Measure about 10 fluid ounces of dish soap and pour it into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. It contains gentle but effective microabrasives that help remove buildup and add shine. Next, pour in about 14 fluid ounces of vinegar. Vinegar works as a natural descaler, dissolving limescale, removing streaks, and restoring a smooth finish. To dilute the mixture, add 1 cup of water. Another key ingredient is baking soda. It boosts the cleaning power and helps tackle even stubborn dirt. Pour the mixture onto the shower tray and tiles, scrub thoroughly with a broom to reach every corner, then remove the excess liquid and dry the surfaces. The result is a sparkling clean shower with limescale gone, just like after using an expensive product. This mixture also works well for cleaning the toilet. Simple and effective. Mix everything together and pour it into a bucket. You'll quickly see that your floor has never looked this clean. No streaks, no dirt, and the shine lasts. Start with a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is great for removing stains and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of baking soda, which disinfects and cleans all kinds of surfaces, not just in the kitchen. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. It easily cuts through grease and grime. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. It degreases, shines, and has antibacterial properties. Now add 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It kills bacteria and fungi, making it a key ingredient in this mix. Stir everything well. The mixture may fizz a little. That's normal. Pour in about 4 cups of warm water and mix thoroughly. Then add another 4 cups to make the cleaner ready to use. Transfer the solution to a mop bucket. But there's one final touch. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon. It will leave your floor smelling fresh. Dip your mop, wring it out, and clean your floors as usual. The result? Shiny, spotless floors free from bacteria and dust mites. Add salt to the fabric softener and create a mixture that will solve many problems in your home. It's a simple trick worth trying. Start with a tall container, preferably from a drink, and pour in the fabric softener. It has softening properties, which help the other ingredients mix easily. Add 2 scoops of any liquid, then pour in 300 milliliters of room temperature water. The water will help the ingredients combine well. The next ingredient is vinegar. 300 milliliters of vinegar will help dissolve limescale, has antibacterial properties, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Finally, add a tablespoon of salt, which acts as a natural abrasive, helping to remove tough stains. Mix everything thoroughly until the salt dissolves. Pour the finished mixture into an empty dispenser bottle for easy application. This combination works wonderfully for cleaning various surfaces in your home, from the sink and countertops to the toilet. Just a little bit of the solution and a sponge is enough to achieve amazing cleanliness. You'll see that you don't need expensive chemicals to quickly and effectively remove dirt.